And then next is why data structure, like comedy. Why have to study? Why I have to learn? Lot of questions. Okay, let's come to the concept. There are lots of questions in life which may be unanswered. Okay, why data structures? Learn what data structures are. Okay, we will learn data structure, what data structures are. Okay, why they are useful. Okay, why they are useful. Yeah, and how you can use them effectively. Okay, what even are data structures? What even are data structures? Okay, data structures. What is data structures? At the backbone of every program or piece of software are two entities, data and algorithms. Okay, algorithms transform data into something a program can effectively use. Okay, algorithm uses the data. A uses D. Algorithm data structures. So A uses D. Okay. Therefore, it is important to understand how to structure data. So algorithms can maintain, utilize, and iterate through data quickly. Okay, I have to structure the data. Many data is having. So structure the data. Data structure. Yeah. Data structures are the way we are able to store and retrieve data. Okay, in data structure we are storing and retrieving data. You can you may already be familiar with the Python list and dictionary or JavaScript array and objects. If so, you know that list and array are sequential with the data accessed by index, while dictionary and objects uses a named key to store and retrieve information. What they were saying is like a list is sequential. It's by using index we can take the data, and then dictionary is like key value pairs. Using key we will take the value. The data structure that exists in programming language are pretty similar to real world systems that we use outside of the digital sphere. Okay, it's similar to no, ours. Okay, data structure is real world. Imagine that you go to grocery store. At this particular grocery store, the frozen pizza is stored next to bell peppers and the toothbrushes are next to the milk like list. The store does not have sheets that indicates where different items are located. In this disorganized grocery store, you should have a pretty difficult time trying to find what you were looking for. Okay, difficult to find what you need. Fortunately, most grocery stores have a clear order to the way the store is stocked and laid out. There is an order. Okay. Similarly, data structure provides us with a way to organize information, including other data structure in a digital space. Okay, yes, understood. Like organizing in real world versus organizing in digital space. Wow, fantastic. Good actually. How are data structures used? Okay, how and where we are using the data structures? Data structures handle four main functions for us: inputting information, processing information, maintaining information, retrieving information. Inputting is largely concerned with how data is received. What kind of information can be included? Will the new data be added to the beginning, end, or somewhere in the middle of the existing data? Thus, an existing point of data needs to be updated or destroyed. Processing gets at Processing gets at the way that the data is manipulated in data structures. I have to understand again. Processing gets at the way that data is manipulated in the data structure. Data is manipulated in the data structure. Processing. Little confusing. Okay. Data is manipulated in data structure. In data structure, data is we are manipulating. Okay. This can occur concurrently or as a result of other processes that the data structures handles. This can occur concurrently or as a result of other processes that the data structure handles. How does existing data that has been stored need to change to accumulate? I have to read again. How does existing data that has been stored need to change to accumulate new updated or removed data, like update they were speaking? It's come under processing, inputting, processing. Maintaining. Maintaining is focused on how the data is organized within the structure. Organize. Okay. Organize. First again. Which relationships need to be maintained between pieces of data? How much memory must the system reserve, allocate to accumulate the data? Retrieving is devoted to finding and returning the data that is stored in the structure. How can we access that information again? What steps does the data structure needs to take to get the information back to us? What steps does the data structure need to take to get the information back to us? Different types and use cases for data will be better suited to different manners of inputting. Different types and use cases for data will be better suited to different manner of inputting, processing, storing, and retrieving data. Retrieving different types and use cases for data will be better suited to different manners of inputting, processing, storing, and retrieving. This is why we have several data structures to choose from and the ability to create our own. Choosing the best data structure, teaching work may be difficult.